Okay, guys, I am back and I hope you are ready for part two. Both bags are nice and clean, and now I am going to go ahead and get them conditioned. So, as you can see, they are nice and clean and ready for the next step. And with my medic bag, these are the few items that I did leave out. I put everything else away, but these are the few items that I did leave out because tweezers, they come in handy for a lot, even with art, picking up tiny items or placing tiny stickers. So I can get use out of these tweezers. This tin, I know I can get some type of use out of this also. And these little grippers here, I'm not sure what they're called. I can actually put this in my first aid kit because these come in handy if you have to use an ace band. This, I just kept it out because I like the tube. It's the little tape rolls that's in here, but I do like the tube. It's extremely sturdy, but it was just a couple of pack of tape rolls. I'm assuming that this is tape. It is like medical tape, so I kept that out because of the container. And of course I kept this thermometer out, and I may actually sanitize this thermometer and try to use it. And the cool thing about this thermometer is all details were thought of with this, because once it is placed inside of this case, there's a grippy, it feels rubbery, that actually holds this thermometer. So this glass thermometer is held in place so that it won't just jiggle around in here and break. So I thought that that was pretty cool. But yeah, that's the few little things I decided to keep out. All the rest of it I put in a box and just put it away. So to begin the conditioning, I mentioned that I do use bag balm on my notebooks. And if you didn't see the cleaning video, I did show some of my notebooks. I guess they're right here, so I can pull them out again. So on my notebooks, I only use bag balm. I don't use the conditioners that I have in the box that I use for my shoes. I only use bag balm on my notebooks, and I feel like they're beautiful. They come out really beautiful. This one, I'm gonna clean it soon and recondition it. But this one is like, I want to say 10 years old. I think this notebook is like 10 years old. So, and it's still very pliable. I try to keep all of my leather products up very well. 1 second, I'm putting them away. Okay, so I will be putting a first layer of bag balm on my notebooks. I mean, on my bags. I will start with the bag balm. And I'm not sure if I should just use the cloth or go in with my hand. Let's see. I'll see what's best first. When I'm doing my shoes, I like to lightly heat the oil a little bit sometimes. I don't know. I just feel like it seeps down better with me doing that. And it was a bit of a challenge to get the other video uploaded because I totally ran out of space on my phone. My space was so low that I could not even edit the video on my phone. So I'm glad I thought about it because it was like 4 clips that I had to put together, 4 or 5 clips, something like that. And normally in a position like that, if all you have is your phone, you'd be stuck. So I thought to send the clips to my tablet. I never film on my tablet. I never do anything on my tablet other than like I watch YouTube or do different little typing things or things like that. But as far as recording videos or anything like that, I never do that on my tablet. So my tablet probably has a lot of space on it. So I thought about it. I sent those clips to my tablet, was able to edit it with no problem and get it uploaded. I have to do a deep cleaning on my phone because I try to delete as much as possible, but I have to get in there and get a lot of stuff deleted because now my phone is crying for space, and it's that makes it hard for me to film sometimes. But I'm glad I thought of the backup option. Even if I can't edit, I can send it to my tablet and have the editing done like that. I'm gonna try to get this done a little faster than I did with the cleaning. I still haven't taken care of this hardware yet. I will do that, but I won't do that right now. I wanted to do it before I came back on. Slipped my mind. So I'll let that sit in. And with the bags, I'm gonna go back in with one of the shoe conditioners. But I just wanted to put this first layer on so that this could seep in first. And because I use this on my skin, I don't mind using my hands to rub it in. And I did mention there was a sticker right here. It left no glue, but it has this little circle spot, which doesn't mind. It doesn't bother me at all. And like I said, this is the back of the bag. This is the part that's going to be leaning up against me anyway. And with the cleaning, the old smell to the leather is totally gone. It's not even there anymore. Okay, and you can see how it's seeping in, just like it was seeping into your skin. It's seeping into the leather, and that's what I wanted. That's why I wanted to put that on first. And then I'll go in with one of the shoe conditioners. This one is made for the wider 10. I normally like to heat these up a little bit, but I'm just going to go in with it as it is. I feel like this spreads much quicker when I heat them. I'm just excited they're all ready for use now. So I'm gonna also go in with a layer of the dubbin. Let that seep in and take care of this one. if the sun was out, I would actually sit these on the balcony for a little while to help the oil seep into them. Yes. So my daughter came in to talk a bit as I was working, but I did the final step, the final stage, and I heated the oil into the leather a bit with my heating tool. I don't have a blow dryer where I could put it on a low setting, so this is just one setting, and I know how to heat it at a distance away from the leather to help the conditioner to seep in a little more. So that is basically it, and I'm just buffing it a little bit with this little kiwi cloth here, and that is it. Both bags are done and ready for use. And I just noticed that I filmed this video in the wrong orientation, so hopefully I can get that fixed, because I did not notice that it was in portrait mode, but hopefully I can get that fixed with no problem. But this is it, and they are done and ready for me to use. So I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, guys, thank you for watching.